So guys, for the first method, you just want to simply refresh your page on the top. See if that fixes your problem. For the second method, you want to change your video quality. So you want to click on settings right here and then click on quality. Try to change your video quality. See if that works. For the third method, in the top right of your web browser, you want to click on the three dots and then click on extensions and then click on manage extensions. If you have any extensions that you think may be causing a problem, maybe ad blocker, then you could either disable it or you can remove it. For the next method, you want to click on the three dots in the top right and then click on settings. And then once you're on this, you want to search for acceleration. You should now be seeing use graphics acceleration when available. It might also say for you hardware acceleration depending on what web browser that you're using. You could try to turn this off, click on relaunch, see if that works. If that's still not working, you want to turn this on, click on relaunch, see if that works. For the next method, in the top left, you want to click right here, view site information. Now you want to click on cookies and site data. And then click on manage on device site data. You want to delete everything that comes up here. And then click on done. Now you want to click on this again. And then click on site settings. And then click on delete data. And then click on delete. And now we're going to go back here. You want to click on reload. See if that works. For the last method, just try doing a simple restart of your computer. Come back to YouTube and then try to play your video again. Now hopefully one of these methods would have fixed your problem.